Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to get Mac OS like floating input languages bubble in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, you can see here on the right side releases, just click on it. Now here you will see here language bubble.exe file, so you need to download this exe file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to run this software installer. Now the application has started, as you can see your notifications. So you can click on this taskbar tree icon. Now you will see the application here, so you can just right mouse click on it and you can see the various options here. So you can check the shortcut keys here. So you can see caps locks, the shortcut keys, what it does. As you can see here, you can customize here depending upon your needs. So you can see Win plus space, All plus shift. So these are the shortcut keys by default, and below there are more options which you can check out by yourself. So once the application has started, now just open any note writing application. Say, just to give you an example, let me open a notepad. So now you can see here blinking text cursor, right? So now in order to get a Mac OS like floating input languages bubble, what you need to do is on your Windows computer keyboard, just press the caps lock key. So you can see here. So if you keep pressing it again, so you can see it will cycle through the various input languages that you have installed on your respective Windows computer. So you can see here. So once you have selected the different languages, and if you start typing, so you can see here, it changes the language. And if you press the caps lock again, and if you select the different languages and if you start typing, so you can see, so it's working perfectly. So by using this cool application known as languages bubble, you can easily get Mac OS like floating input languages bubble in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.